A CDL certification can transform the future of people engaged in commercial driving careers. Do you want to receive your commercial driver's license but are skeptical about the CDL exams? No matter the driving experience or skills, it's difficult for everyone to crack the CDL exam. That's why at Mile 1 Press, we're dedicated to helping students and commercial drivers achieve their CDL permit and endorsement. We provide above industry standard resources to help aspiring and professional commercial drivers step up in advancing their commercial driving careers. The chances of passing the exams depend on you, but with our improvised and up-to-date study resources and practice tests designed for you, your success rate will boost big time. We design study materials and resources to power improved CDL outcomes. And with our self-paced guides and proven test strategies, you can prepare yourself for positive results from anywhere, at any time, and at your own pace, and take your transportation career to its next mile. From general knowledge to air brakes, hazardous materials endorsement, and many more, get yourself our top-notch study materials and pave your road towards your driving career. Your CDL preparation starts here. For more information or to download our guides, visit our website at www.mile1press.com.